off one thing and you get caught up in the system, what happened to you? They're going to deport you. So enough of them family with their Jamaica or battle with you, see, get the opportunity and gone, and them know say you struggle. They may even try help you. They may even try help you. If you got about you and talk a bag of crap, but if you criticize and talk and gossip about your life and talk a bag of thing, yes I, they're on a mission, you know. Yeah man, big up on yourself once again and give thanks for that. Tune in. So today's video, we are talking about family. The Jamaican family mentality, the Jamaican family lifestyle, we as Jamaican live as family, blood family. See? And right now, we know they say strangers out there deal with you better than all your family deal with you. Straight, no joke. It's like a spell upon the family them of Jamaica. Bless all our family them, our gratitude, whatever you want to send. A decent word, find a decent word to describe them people. Where mother and father together, grandmother, and the family structure is together. Big them up, bless them up every time. Because many of us are not fortunate to have family like that, or to get to be able to run a family structure like that, where family and support family. Many of us are not that fortunate. So you see right now, based upon my experience and what I see I've gone in my surrounding in Jamaica, family come like enemy. Your family come like them are the worst enemy. Straight. Yeah man, you have some family, you know, with their Jamaica, you know, struggle with it, you know. Them know the batteration, them know the struggle, them know the sufferation. Get an opportunity and go on a foreign. See? And then go foreign, the mentality change against you. Then remember say yeah, and them just sleep on all the one bed, eat out of one pattern, everything. Then remember them thing and something good thing they beg you for do for them and then them forgot you straight. No joke. You see me I say? I want to make certain talk about you. I say, oh this and oh that, like through them might get a little opportunity in a different country. Yeah, most of them not even straight neither. And what them have to go do? Find a woman for married. See? That's the only way them can get them papers, you know. To find a woman for married. Because if you run off one thing and you get caught up in the system, what happened to you? They're going to deport you. So enough of them family with their Jamaica or battle with you. See? Get the opportunity and gone. And them know say you struggle. They may even try help you. They may even try help you. If you got about you and talk a bag of crap, but if you criticize and talk and gossip about your life and talk a bag of thing, them no want to help you, you know. Them no want to help you, they no busy with that. Yeah, but make something happen to you. Like some drama surround your life or something go on in your life where you make some mistake or something, or probably a dead too. At then time they see them jump up and yeah, want to be a part of something. But when you're alive and you're struggling and you're battle, you want help and motivation, nobody no busy with you. The only people who might see you and listen to you are people who don't know you and see you struggle because them are struggle too. But your family, them never rather go foreign, go meet different people and create best friends and create different type of things and forget about you. Not even a dollar, no, nothing them no business with. Them no business if you want to eat a meal, consume a meal, nothing. Remember that. Remember, you know, that's just a part of the story, you know. You have family where again we help Jamaican family and then rip them off big time. Like a scamming thing. You can imagine you have your family and your family help and you scam them and you go around them on a bag of thing. So family forget about family and you have some family come help some family and some family rip off some like them a scammer. You see me I say? No joke. Many of us are victims of that we live in Jamaica. That's what I say just a few good family structure in a Jamaica. But many of us wasn't fortunate like that. You see me I say? So family, sell out family, run off and gone, no business with you. All them business with you, your business them want in. Just a business for gossip and talk a bag of things. You just want to hear. Say, yo, yeah man, he buy car, I hear. Say, yo, yeah man, he breed gala. I hear any good thing. And the moment you might lose all them good things that I make a bad choice. Because life is like that. You're gonna make mistake. So you're gonna learn. So when you make a little mistake, them ready for jump up. Then we want to try reach out to you for help you, you know. Them jump up, ready to criticize and talk a bag of thing. and them they are foreign. And Jamaica, they are trying to make little life and try food dry yourself. You see me I say? No joke. I remember I say your family will help people and them scam them out, rip them off. So, right, this way again, the thing get unbalanced now. Family are fight for land. I start that thing I go on with family of Jamaica, you know. Some evil thing, you know. Some dangerous thing family are set up people, family life and them thing there, you know. Like a straight and a joke. It's strange people and we are stranger to them to these people like if I man are more family than the family that you are blood with. You can imagine that? You have all your family, your brother and your sister them, and you meet a woman out there in the world where you and them start connect and reason and thing, and this woman here show you more love than how even your mother show you. The woman here show you more love than how your sister show you. The woman here show you more love than how your auntie show you. Consider boy what you do, if you can't smooth, if you eat, what you up to, what you want to do, them consider, them just concerned about your life, and you have people, your family will live in Jamaica in a different parish from you. Now take up your phone and call and try to check up on you or nothing. But you have people abroad where you might meet a stranger. But they abroad are concerned about your daily liberty. And as I tell you, you really know. You can imagine you're there in Jamaica and you have a mother in a different parish and thing and you're not here for your mother or nothing. And you might meet a woman online or anywhere at time, make a link to any little connection. And them people where they are abroad, I call you more often and check in on you more than the people who are there in Jamaica. Just imagine that. I see you thing I tell you, the family thing is that it corrupt big time in Jamaica right now. Most of we experience that. Foreign are a yard are abroad. And a joke thing, we know this, we're not pretty it up. You see me I say, yeah man, see you, we're not pretty it up. The ones them know this. You know what I mean? I tell you man, you know, you can be a part of a family and want to hurt all the blood and everything for what reason. Or if you want to do that, you want to hurt your blood, you want. Or if you want to do that, what reason? No love, no unity, and you have strangers where they want more protect you and guide you and help you and build you. And you have your family where you help your family and build your family, you want to build down your family. Bad mind again. Bad mind again. You can imagine me I tell you, yo, family will say you build a house, you know. I say you build a house and it was nice, you know, and then go make a little money and want to come build a bigger house than you know. Just make you feel a type of way. I just corruption, them. I just corruption straight. When them have more unity and harmony, family, it should have been one of the first structure. You grow up in if you set the foundation, that's when you go up there in the world and know if you conduct yourself on a level. You show people love, same and balance out the thing. But if you don't get that in the beginning, you're going to go out there in the world and you're going to be vulnerable. You see me I say? And you will get used and abused many a time because and everybody are going to just see and like you or check for you. It'll take a time. And many of us don't survive it neither. So if your family is not there in the beginning, remember me tell you, you miss out on a vital lesson of love and unity and togetherness in the beginning. You see me I say? So we know this man. And the people out there know this, the family structure of Jamaica. Dirty up, corrupt. As strangers I help you and can help you and consider you more than all your family, your bloodline, and consider you. I don't know what's going on, people. You tell me what go on there comment. You see me I say? No joke. We not drag it out too much. We come there on a vibration in the morning and we are sending out them energy. Because we know when you hear people talk about this and look a pretty up thing and we're not depend on that. You see me I say? We're not depend on that. Right now we want the unity come forward back in the family them. Family structure for up. Because see right now, when if you notice, who don't know, supposed to know. Who don't know, live on that rock. I'm going to say this. Jamaica rank #1 in the world. I think Jamaica rank second in the world in a paternity fraud and #1 in the Caribbean. So that alone give you an idea of the family structure what one in Jamaica. Why the youth them hurt themselves and why the youth them hurt the female them at the family structure. You think about that. You see? Drop a like and subscribe if you're new. You see me I say? And send out the video out there. I will give thanks. We're on the journey, you know. We're not stopping now. Hopeful and mighty, live one love and gratitude. Banging!